Hey guys, want this? Preview. Let's start. Click on New Project. Import any to Photos. Here I did a little mistake. Take down the same to Photos as overlays. Delete the end part. Do as I do. Go to Mask. Click on Horizontal. Rotate 76. Feather 35. Do the same with another picture. Import another image. Zoom in. Saturation 50. Click on Blend. Soft 100. Skip to 246. I'm sorry guys, I have done a mistake here. I forgot to record the part where I added my username on the image. I hope you understand the steps through image I am going to show. So you have to do something like this. Import the idol's image. Crop 1:1. Cut out the image. Screenshot this and add it behind the idol's cutout. To enhance the quality of your PF, here is a bonus trick. Open a EFIKO app. If you want to download, you can get the link under the comments or description. Upload the PF you make. Sharpen 100. Structure 100. Now export. Re-upload the same image which we edited just now. Structure 100. Sharpen 100. Now export. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe me and follow me on Instagram.